Hi. May I talk to you?
Yes, of course.
May I sit?
Yes.
May I sit next to you?
Yes, please.
Next to, okay. Hi. My name is Shafin Ahmed. I'm from Bangladesh.
I'm Kim. I'm from
Okay.
Los Angeles.
Okay. I'm an English teacher. I travel the world. I make English language videos. I travel different countries. I make videos. So how are you today?
I'm doing much better than I was a couple of days ago.
Okay. And what do you do?
Well, I will be an astronaut, so I'm just traveling to Oregon to finish my degree there.
Okay.
And then hopefully get on the track to becoming that.
Okay. So do you travel?
Yes, I do. I've traveled a lot of places. I've been to Puerto Vallarta. I've been to Canada, Cabo San Lucas, Alaska, a lot of different places.
Okay. Have you heard about Bangladesh?
Yes, I have.
How do you know about Bangladesh?
It's a country in the world and everybody should know about it.
Okay.
I feel like all countries matter and we should know different things about each country. Every country has different foods, different cultures, different people, different stories, and everything's important, you know, in life, you know?
Okay, I have some few questions for you because the people in my country, the boys and girls, they would love to know about it. Like, how do American like you pass their time? Like, when you're free, your leisure time, what do you do? Do you go to park? Do you go to museum, play? What do you do?
Oh, like pastime, like hobbies and stuff?
Yes.
So growing up, I did a lot of figure skating. Me and my friends would go to the figure skating rink and, you know, compete against each other who would land the jump first. And other things like photography and online games with friends. And let's see, I like hiking.
Okay.
And just hanging out with a lot of people and getting to know their background and their story is really what I like to do with my time.
Okay, so let's come to my channel. So what I do with my English language channel here, I go to different country. I try to speak English with the people around me, and I try to help the students in my country how to learn English, right? So this is the purpose of this channel, right?
Yeah.
So I'm going to ask you some questions in normal English.
Okay.
You have to pronounce it, accent in your way.
Okay.
And what accent do you follow in the United States?
Los Angeles. I don't really know. I don't feel like I have an accent.
So do you believe in different states people have
Yes,
different accent
yes, like if you go to
in America?
New York, it's different. You know, it's different everywhere you go. Like Texas, for sure. It's definitely different everywhere you go. But in my opinion, I don't have an accent, but somebody else will think I have an accent.
Okay. So how do you say how are you?
How are you?
Where are you going?
Where are you going?
What's your name?
What's your name?
What is your hobby?
What are your hobbies? Your favorite hobbies?
How do you pass your time?
How do you pass your time?
That's nice. That's nice.
Okay.
So that's a nice accent, right? I got. So dear brothers and sisters, right? I got a friend in LA, and she talks really with a good proper accent. I hope you're going to like this YouTube video. You're going to like this lesson anyway. So I will see you, inshallah, one fine day.
Yeah, and one.
Do you have any questions for me?
No, but I do have a pro tip if you do want to learn English, listening to English songs. I know that it's helped me to learn Spanish, to listen to Spanish songs, so that's just a tip that I have.
Do you have any suggestion for my students, right, and subscribers? How can they improve their English anyway?
Definitely writing
Song
things down.
and writing.
Writing from your language to English and then from English back to your language would definitely help.
Do you think they should also practice English with their friends?
Oh, of course, of course. I practice Russian with my Russian friends and Spanish with my Spanish friends, and it helps a lot.
Please tell them to subscribe my channel.
Please subscribe to Mr. Shaffin's channel.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much indeed. Bye-bye.